The best way to prevent your pie, especially an apple pie, from being too watery or liquidy is to add starch to it, like a thickening agent. You're going to have this on any fresh fruit. So, my preference, especially for an apple, is a little bit of flour. I usually add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour to my sugar and cinnamon mix and toss all of that together with the apples. If you're dealing with another fruit, you could always do like a tapioca starch or tapioca pearls, even. And sometimes you can also do cornstarch. I think it depends on the fruit. But for apple, I definitely recommend flour over the others. I don't feel like it changes the taste of the fruit itself.